Upon purchasing the tactical utility shovel, it will come with a shovel head, 2 poles, a whistle, and a knife. To assemble, take the pole that has the grip and unscrew the whistle from the inside of the pole. Turn it around and rescrew in the same place. Next, take the second pole and unscrew the knife. Turn it around and carefully rescrew it back into the same place. Place the pole that has the whistle into the second pole and screw the 2 poles together. Carefully place the knife into the shovel head pole and tighten. To change the shovel head, simply loosen the handle at the top of the head, change to your desired position, and retighten.